Welcome back. So here is yet another project for Elena's first birthday. Again, the theme is Cocomelon. This one I'm not going to explain step by step just because I just really don't have the time and I'm trying to get this stuff done. What's today, Wednesday? Monday I'm getting induced. So I have to get as much done as possible. I still have to iron clothes, wash clothes, finish getting the crib together. All of that great stuff. So what I'm doing today is making some Cocomelon family birthday shirts for my husband and I. You'll see the results at the end. I'm just right now cutting things on the Cricut, weeding, all of that good stuff. So I have all kind of heat transfer vinyl in all kind of different colors because you know it's rainbow, so there's like a million colors, like literally. I've already cut 2 sheets of white and then I have all of these colors still to cut. Now granted, I've cut them down to the size that I need them, but the Cricut still has to cut them and I just put that out of order. Also, on top of everything, next week is my mom's birthday, and it's her 60th. Sorry, mommy, I told everybody your age. But my mom looks great. She don't look like no 60. She barely looks 50. So yeah, she's gonna be 60. And the sad thing is, it's 2021 and Corona, because originally my sister and I planned on taking her to like an all-inclusive resort in Cancun or Cozumel or something like that, because she's always wanted to do. And we were planning that for like over 2 years, like, oh, this is what we're gonna do for her 60th, you know, the big 6-0. And now I can't even see my mother for her birthday because it's the 18th and the 15th is when I'm going in for my induction. And I'm guessing I'm probably not gonna be out of the hospital by the 18th. And if I am, we're kind of doing super quarantine once the baby's born for at least a month or 2, just because Corona, and she doesn't really have an immune system yet. So I can't even see my mom for her birthday, let alone take her to Cancun. So I'm gonna make her a shirt. My sister and I have some other things planned, hopefully you'll get to see, but since I'm making these family Cocomelon shirts today, I'm gonna go ahead and make her basically like a 60 and Fabulous type shirt, and my sister's going to surprise her at work with it along with some other stuff. So I'll kind of just fast forward the video. You'll see my progress, and yeah, just pray for me. I have so many things going on at once right now. School's finished at least finals week is done. I got 100% on my final. It was a 10-page paper. I got 100%. So that should definitely be an A in the class. Thank God for that. And I only have 3 classes left now until I get my master's degree. Also, while we're talking about goals, if you remember my vision board from 2021, if you haven't seen that video, please check it out if you like. My other big goal that I had for this whole year, for the year of 2021, is to raise my credit score 100 points because life's happened, you know, it is what it is, and there's things that I want. I want to buy a house in the next few years, or build a house I should say, in the next few years. I want a minivan in the next like year or so because I'm going to have 2 under 2, and I want a multi-needle embroidery machine. So all that stuff takes money, and I don't have thousands upon thousands upon thousands of dollars in cash, so I need good credit. I need to raise my score. So my goal was to raise it 100 points in 1 year. So it's now March. I've already officially raised my score 20 points. 20 points. I'm so excited because I've been stuck for the longest. But I raised my score 20 points, thank God. So that just goes to prove when you set your mind to something and you work hard, you will see progress. It might take time, it might not be when you want it or as fast as you want it, but you will see that progress. And so that's my theme for 2021. I'm just gonna keep working hard, like always. So thank you guys for sticking by me and for supporting me. I always appreciate the love and support. Thank you.
No sé qué tú ves en mí, mi amor. Ya no dejes de mirarme, que ya me gusta quién soy. Contigo me siento en control. Eres el balance en este mundo, Cocomelon. Se volvió ese chico que habló en mis canciones. Esas madrugadas y hermosas conversaciones. Se volvió ese chico que quería ver otra vez. Y me enamoré a volverlo a ver. Tú me ves como nadie más, bebé. Me diste alas para que vuele, pero motivos para quedarme. Tú me ves como nadie más, bebé. Tú me curas cuando más me duele. Sé que siempre has sabido amarme.
Eso de tortolito no queda bien, bebé. Por de tus amigas diciendo que no ven que esto sea duradero, que sea algo sincero, que un perro no cambia y eso es lo que es él. Pero tú lo viste, mi amor. Tú viste mi mejor versión. Tú hiciste lo que nadie quería. Ser inspo para mis poesías. Siento que tú solo sabes. Chico con par de maldades, pero sincero, verdadero, baby. Secreto que tú solo sabes. Momentos que siento reales. Yo lo prefiero que en un largo tiempo sea tu caballero.
Tú me ves como nadie más, bebé. Me diste alas para que vuele, pero motivos para quedarme. Tú me ves como nadie más, bebé. Tú me curas cuando más me duele. Sé que siempre has sabido amarme. Se volvió ese chico que habló en mis canciones. Esas madrugadas y hermosas conversaciones. Se volvió ese chico que quería ver otra vez. Y me enamoré a volverlo a ver. Tú me ves como nadie más, bebé. Me diste alas para que vuele, pero motivos para quedarme. Tú me ves como nadie más, bebé. Me diste alas para que vuele, pero motivos para quedarme. Tú me ves como nadie más, bebé. Tú me curas cuando más me duele. Sé que siempre has sabido amarme.
Yeah, NICA, Ricky Baker en el beat. La nueva era. Yo la vi pasar, me enamoró su mirar. Ese día conmigo bailó, yo sabía que quería más. Todo su resplandor, lo que muestras es solo amor. Es tan fuerte que solo vos te adueñaste del corazón. Baby, tú dame de tu amor, dame lo que necesito, esos besos. Baby, tú dame de tu amor, no importa si tú me robas 1000 besos. Ella le dice a todos que tiene novio, que soy un baby, que su vida